How do you get to work?
I drive to work every day.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
What's your breakfast?
I usually have cereal for breakfast.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 4 times a week.
Where do you buy groceries?
I buy groceries at the local store.
How do you stay organized?
I stay organized with a planner.
What music do you listen to?
I listen to pop and classical music.
How do you relax after work?
I relax by watching TV after work.
What do you like about your routine?
I like how my routine keeps me productive.
How do you commute daily?
I take the train every day.
What's your weekend plan?
This weekend, I plan to visit a museum.
How do you manage your time?
I manage my time with a schedule.
What's your stress relief method?
I relieve stress by walking or deep breathing.
How do you celebrate events?
I celebrate events with family and friends.
What books do you read?
I enjoy reading both fiction and nonfiction.
How do you meet friends?
I meet friends for coffee or dinner.
What's your lunch break routine?
I usually eat a sandwich during lunch.
How do you stay motivated?
I stay motivated by setting small goals.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are painting and gardening.
How do you keep your workspace tidy?
I keep my workspace tidy by organizing regularly.
How do you stay fit?
I stay fit by going to the gym and doing yoga.
How do you handle interruptions?
I handle interruptions quickly and return to work.
What's your evening routine?
My evening routine includes dinner and reading.
How do you remember dates?
I remember dates using a calendar app.
What do you do with family?
I enjoy dinner and games with my family.
How do you plan your week?
I plan my week by setting goals each day.
What's your day off like?
On my day off, I relax and run errands.
How do you handle tasks?
I manage tasks by breaking them into steps.
What's good about your job studies?
I like the challenges and learning at my job.
How often do you cook?
I cook dinner almost every night.
What movies do you watch?
I like watching comedies and thrillers.
How do you stay in touch with friends?
I stay in touch with friends by texting or calling.
What's your weekend like?
I usually relax at home on the weekend.
How do you follow news?
I follow the news by reading online articles.
How do you stay productive?
I stay productive by setting goals and avoiding distractions.
How do you balance work and life?
I balance work and life by setting boundaries.
What exercises do you do?
I do cardio and yoga to stay fit.
How do you plan daily activities?
I plan my day with a to-do list.
How do you start your day?
I start my day with coffee and a quick schedule review.
How do you keep clean at home?
I keep my home clean with regular chores.
What keeps you positive?
I stay positive by focusing on the good things.
How often do you check tasks?
I check my tasks every day to stay on track.
What's your evening like?
I unwind with TV or spend time with family in the evening.
How do you do chores?
I handle chores by splitting them between daily and weekly tasks.
What's your favorite part of the day?
I enjoy my evenings because it's time to relax.
How do you stay entertained?
I entertain myself by watching movies or reading books.
How do you stay healthy?
I stay healthy by eating well and exercising regularly.
How do you celebrate success?
I celebrate success by treating myself.